Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Farhan. I am studying in 10th standard. Today my topic is probability, which is taken from maths. Before entering into the topic, I hope that you guys will like, share and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. So, what is probability? The definition was given by Pierre Simon Laplace in 1795. It means in the year of 1795, a mathematician called Pierre Simon Laplace given the definition of probability. What is that? It is a branch of mathematics which deals with occurrence of a random event. It means if an event takes place, it shows the occurrence of that event, and it is a branch of mathematics. This is the definition of probability. And the third point is it occurs between 0 to 1. It means if any event is taking place, the probability of that event will take place between 0 to 1. Then P of E is equals to n number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. It means if we toss a coin, there are two possible outcomes, heads and tails. So the possible outcomes are 2. Not 2, because if you toss a coin, only one outcome will come, either head or tail. It means 1. And what are the total outcomes? Heads and tails. There are two total outcomes. So 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 0.5. And its probability always takes place between the 0 to 1. See, 0.5. And the next one is P of E plus P of E bar is equals to 1. It means P of E. P of E means the event that is taking place, and P of E bar the event that is not taking place, that is not P of E, is equals to 1. And the next point is impossible event means which cannot take place. It means if an event is taking place, the probability of that event will not take place, that is impossible event. And the last one is sure event. Sure event means which will compulsory take place. If an event is taking place, so that the probability of that event will compulsory take place. Now I will explain the problems. Here the first question is if P of E is equals to 0.05. P of E is given 0.05. Find the value of not E. Not E means P of E bar. P of E bar is not E. So the formula is P of E plus P of E bar is equals to 1. Here what is given? P of E 0.05. So substitute 0.05 value in P of E. 0.05 plus P of E bar is equals to 1. Transpose 0.05 into right hand side. It will become minus 0.5. P of E bar is equals to 1 minus 0.05. What is 1 minus 0.05? 0.95. So this is the event that will not take place. P of E bar, not P of E. The next problem is a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Lemon flavored candies. Lemon flavored candies. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. A girl is taking out a candy without looking into the bag because there is only one candy, lemon candy. So what is the probability that she takes out orange flavor candy? We have to find the probability of orange flavor candy. Here in bag there is only lemon flavor, not orange flavor. So the probability is impossible event. Because there are no orange flavored candies in the bag. Impossible event is equals to 0. This is the first question in second problem. The second one is find the probability of a lemon flavored candy. Lemon flavored candy. There is only one candy in the bag, lemon flavored candy, and she takes out that candy. So that is sure event. Sure event is equals to how many candies she will take care of? Only one. So sure event is equals to 1. So this is the second solution. Now here the third question is a dice is rolled once. Find the probability of a prime number lying between 0 to 6, and odd number and even numbers. So first we have to draw a dice. This is a dice. We know that there are 6 numbers in a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 numbers in the dice. The first question is a prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. there are three prime numbers which lies between 1 to 6. There is one is not prime, neither composite. So there are the possible outcomes are three. So what is the probability formula? Number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. What is the total number of outcomes? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 by 6. Here 3 is possible outcomes. 3 by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. 1 by 2. So the probability of getting a prime number is 1 by 2. Now the second question is number lying between 0 to 6. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the numbers that lies between 0 to 6 in a dice. So what are the possible outcomes? 6. And total outcomes are same. 6 by 6, that is equals to 1. So the probability of getting a number lying between 0 to 6 is 1. The third question is an odd number. Here an odd number is given. So we have to take only one number. You can take 3. 3 is an odd number. So the possible outcomes are 3. So take only one. 3. 1, 1. 1 by, what are the total outcomes? 6. So the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 6. And the last one is even numbers. What are the even numbers between 1 to 6? 2, 4 and 6. These are the even numbers which lies between 0 to 6. 2, 4, 6. What it means? There are 3 possible outcomes. So 3 by, what are the total number of outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total outcomes are 6. What is 3 by 6? 3 ones, 3 twos is equals to 1 by 2. So the probability of getting an even numbers is 1 by 2. So this is the third question. Next one is, here the fourth question is, a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow comes to the rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and are equally likely outcomes. These 8s are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability of getting 8? An odd number, number of greater than 2, number less than 9. First of all, draw a spinning an arrow. These 8 are the equally likely outcomes which comes to rest. So we have to find the probability of getting 8. First question is 8. So P of E is equals to possible outcomes by total outcomes. So this is the formula for probability. 8. There is only one number 8. So the possible outcome is 1. And by total outcomes, what are the total outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 outcomes. So 1 by 8 is the probability of getting 8. Now the second question is an odd number. An odd number means between 1 to 8, what are the odd number? That will be the possible outcomes. Odd number are 1, 3, 5 and 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the possible outcomes. So formula is possible outcomes by total outcomes. There are 4 possible outcomes. So 4 by, what are the total outcomes? 8. 4 by 8 is equals to 1 by 2 because 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. The third question is number greater than 2. It means what are the number greater than 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers which are greater than 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 6 possible outcomes. So 6 by, what are the total outcomes? 8. 6 by 8. Cancel it. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. 3 by 4 is the 3 by 4 is the probability of getting number greater than 2. And the last question is number less than 9. What are the number less than 9 in this game? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the possible outcomes. 8 are there. So 8 by, what are the total outcomes? 8. 8 by 8. it is nothing but 1 because 8 and 8 will be get cancelled. So the probability of getting number less than 9 is 1. So this is the fourth question. Now I will explain you the last question. Here the last question is, suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. What will be the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 2 meter? In the given question, you have to drop a die in the random rectangular region. In that rectangular region, a circle shape is present, and we have to find the probability that it will land on this circle. So first of all, we have to write, let the probability that it will land on the circular region. BE. So we have to assume that the probability that the dice will land on circular region BE. So write the formula. Area of circle is nothing but the possible outcomes. Area of circle by area of rectangle. Area of rectangular is total outcome because the dice will land on the rectangle. It will land inside this. So what is the area of circle formula? Pi r square. What is the r diameter given as 2 cm? So into 1 by 2 because 1 by 2 is the probability by area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So what is the length? 3 meters and the breadth is 2 meters. So 3 into 2. Write pi as 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 by 3 into 2. What is 3 into 2? 6. Cancel it. 2 ones, 2 threes. 2 ones, 2 11. Right, 6 as it is. 11 ones are 11 by 7 by 6. Here 6 is in division. Take it upside, so it will be multiplication. 11 by 7 into 1 by 6. What is 11 ones are 11 by 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is 42. Check whether it is cancelling or not. 6 table 2. It is not cancelling. So the probability that it will land inside a circle is 11 by 42. So the answer is 11 by 42. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.